Hello, Captain Jeff Hahn from the Brighton Fire District outside of Rochester, New York, here with our 5th Enforcer chassis, Pierce rescue truck. This has the L9 engine in it. We also matched the box to the cab so that it makes a better appealing truck. Also, it gave us additional storage space in the transverse compartments. When we walk up there, we'll see that. This cab is the first one with the clean cab design, which incorporates the fabrics that are easy to see and clean. Able to see any contaminants on the seats rather than going with fabric. We have internal, external compartments, both sides of the cab. Going to be for our EMS gear. In the back here, we have 4 flip downs on the back. They're all air pack seats. We do decon the air packs before they'll go back into the cab, so we're not going to be contaminating the cab with dirty gear. The cab is set up so that it's got a larger floor space, and we're able to allow our members to decon a little bit in the cab. This compartment is transverse for also a storage for a extinguisher. This cabinet houses our electrical system. Also the control unit for the masted LED light tower. It says half pullouts, half depth pullouts. This compartment is 2/3 depth pullout trays. And all of our equipment has been figured out where we're going to put this stuff. This is going to house our cable systems, winching systems, space down below for a electric winch. This truck has 6 positions around it. There's 2 on the front, 1 on each side at the back, and then 2 on the rear of the vehicle to actually operate the electric winch. One of the other things that we did when we made this, we don't have any rear walls in the compartments, and that was done on purpose so that if we had a long piece of equipment in the future, we'll be able to have that stick through into the other side. So we've planned ahead for this truck to be a 20-year vehicle. This side has fixed shelving. It's where we're going to place our rope rescue gear. This compartment is going to house our strut system. We have multiple pull-out drawers with tool boards on them. This is 2/3 extension on these. One of the notable changes that we made with this compartment is the angle of the stairway. By changing the angle of the stairway, we maximize the storage space underneath the stairway. The rear of the vehicle has a full down rear step. Be able to gain access to the upper part of the truck. There's 2 200-foot cord reels that are hidden up in the dunnage area here. We'll take you up the top. The dunnage area compartments just raise up. These have panels on here to gain access to the cord reel. for any service work that maybe need done. This side also has the panel. It's removable very easily. You notice the depth and size of the storage areas here is tremendous because we raised the body up. Behind you, you'll notice the light tower in the folded position and the gen sets there. We also have electrical outlets located in the both sides dunnage area. Additionally, we have 12-volt electrical points available for any future equipment needs, charging, etc. LED strip lighting and illuminates all of our compartments. On this side of the truck, our plan is to use the shelving to hold our cribbing. As noted before, each compartment has 12-volt outlet or studs for future electrical needs of this truck. This compartment is going to be where we hold our Hurst electrical units. We use e-tools, pull-out trays to enable us to get the equipment off easily. This one's a pull-out drop-down tray also, so you're able to get the tool easily. Additional storage shelves. We have AC outlets located in this compartment for the chargers for that equipment. One of the other items that we did when we designed this truck had to do with the scene illumination. We have multiple scene lights on the side of the vehicle. We also chose to do the center one at a 30-degree angle down so you don't get any shadow near the vehicle. This compartment is going to house our smaller tools. We have drop-down pull-outs. Electrical outlets in this compartment also. On this tool board, going to house our power tools. The cab tilt mechanism is actuator located right here on the forward wall of the cabinet. Cab space was important to us. That's why we chose the Enforcer cab. It gives the officer quite a bit of leg room here. Additionally, we added a safety of having a secondary air brake actuator above there, and then controls for the scene lighting above the officer also. Multiple power points, both 12 volt and USB. Okay, our front bumper is a 10-inch extension front bumper that has been reinforced at the corners for side impact. Also, everything has been recessed so that it's a flush look to the vehicle. And our points of mounting for the hitch and the winch outlets on the front. We chose to go with Whelen Engineering lighting package on this vehicle. Full lit on the front. LED headlights. So all lighting on this vehicle is LED. The scene lighting on the side and front of the vehicle is operated off the 12-volt system, and the tower mount is run off the generator. Thanks for watching.